You will have to work on those use cases, think on those, share with me on my different social platform channels. It could be GitHub, Facebook, my website, LinkedIn as well. Assumption: don't limit yourself to any existing project or your thoughts. Think of application access pattern and feel free to think of any access pattern which you can think of and design the database or schema accordingly. You have to consider these scenarios, one of these or multiple scenarios, to do items. All of these are independent of each other. To do items, right? Create an item, list all the items, change an item, update an item, right? All those things along with time, along with the user who has created that, right? With reminder, when the reminder was sent, cab booking like Uber or Ola, right? Or some, you want to create your own schema like Uber or Ola, right? Cab booking system, leave management system, project management system, food delivery application. In case you are not aware of any of these or some of these requirements, I can help you with that also. I can post these requirements on my GitHub page as well, so that you can refer those and design your schema. So with this, I think we have reached at the end of data modeling video series. So please feel free to connect with me on different social channels. Please don't forget to share your feedback on this data modeling series with me. That will encourage me to work more in this direction and improve on. So thank you so much in the end for watching my video series, and I hope you have liked this video series and you have learned something. In case you have learned something, please share with others as well as let me know that it has helped you, so that I can create more better videos and share my knowledge with you. In the end, thank you and love you.